3 weeks ago, I sat in front of my camera, hit record, and then just stared at it. And I thought, maybe I should just quit. If you've ever built something you were proud of and then one day looked at it and felt nothing but tired, I need you to stick with me for a few minutes because this almost ended differently. For months, I told myself the plan was working. Twice a week uploads, scripts, editing, thumbnails, all of it on top of everything else in my life. But somewhere in there, I stopped feeling proud and started feeling behind. I'd watch other channels with 10 times my subscribers and think, what's even the point of me showing up? I was staying up editing until midnight and still waking up wondering if any of it mattered. That's not burnout from nursing anymore. That was a whole new kind of tired. The kind where you're doing the thing you said you wanted, and it still feels like drowning. If that's where you are right now, exhausted by something you actually believe in, I want you to know there's a way to build income on your own terms without burning yourself out to get there. I put together a free guide that walks you through the exact first 3 steps to start replacing your income outside of nursing without quitting your job first. Links in the description. Pop in your email and it's yours. The turning point came on an ordinary Tuesday. I wasn't crying. I wasn't having some big breakdown. I was just sitting there, and I asked myself one honest question. Would I regret quitting more than I regret how hard this feels right now? And the answer was yes. That was the moment I made a decision. Not to push harder the same way, but to build differently, slower, kinder to myself, but still moving. So if you've been circling that same question in your own life, wondering if you should walk away from something before you even give it a real shot, I want to hand you the same first step I needed. That free guide is still there. The exact first 3 steps to start building income outside of your current job without blowing your whole life up to do it. Click the link below, enter your email, and let's start. I'm still here, still building, and honestly, still tired some days. But rest and rebuilding aren't opposites. They're the same superpower. If any of this resonated with you, if you feel like this is your journey too, do me a favor, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.